Welcome back to Udo's Kitchen. My friends, it's another exciting time here, and today we are continuing exactly from where we stopped in our previous video on how to make spaghetti from scratch. In that last video, we made our own homemade spaghetti, cooked some fresh, and then hung the remaining ones on a noodles hanger to dry so they could be preserved and stored for a long time. Now that our spaghetti is fully dried, let's go ahead and prepare a delicious meal with it. First, I carefully remove the spaghetti from the hanger. You need to be very careful so you don't break them into pieces. Can you see how dry they are? Next, I bring a pot of water to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add some salt. Then carefully add some of the dried spaghetti into the pot. I allow it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until it is soft but still firm to the bite. Once the spaghetti is cooked, I strain off the hot water using a sieve and set the spaghetti aside. Next, let's make a simple but very tasty sauce. I place a pan on the heat and add some vegetable oil, allowing it to heat up properly. Then I go in with some diced onions and let them fry for about 30 seconds, just until they become slightly soft and fragrant. After that, I add my tomato paste, stir it in, and allow it to fry for about 45 seconds to remove the raw taste. Next, add my vegetables, some green beans and kidney beans, followed by diced green and red scotch bonnet pepper for flavor and heat. I season with salt, thyme, seasoning powder, curry, and a little butter. I mix everything together very well and allow it to fry for about 1 minute. Then, I add a little meat stock, give it one more stir, and allow the sauce to cook for another 1 minute. Now that our sauce is ready, I add in the cooked spaghetti and gently mix everything together, making sure the spaghetti is well coated with the sauce. I leave it on low heat for about 2 minutes, just for all the flavor to come together. And just like that, our delicious homemade spaghetti is ready. Look at how inviting this is. Super delicious, rich and full of flavor. Serve and enjoy. For the remaining dried spaghetti, I went ahead and packaged them in nylon and sealed them tightly to prevent air from entering. Anytime I want to use them, I simply take them out and prepare them just like the way we did. And that is it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and follow for more homemade and DIY food recipes. Let me know in the comments what you would love to see next time. Until next time, happy cooking.